My name is Larry Fishbeck. I work at Schold Manufacturing. I've been here for 47 and a half years. I started in 1971 on a work program, and I've been here ever since.
So Schold innovates, first step, most important, by listening to the customer and listening to the market. You can't really innovate in a bubble, sitting in a lab and trying to figure out what to do. You really need to listen to what is needed. And then the second step is, using the right technology to creatively solve the problem that needs to be solved.
What I hear a lot is we're able to work with you. A lot of our competitors have certain products that they kind of mass produce. We don't have that box. We will say, hey, you need a larger tank, smaller tank. We will custom design our equipment to fit your needs.
So if a customer comes to us and they say, I'm looking for something that can do this, we'll work around that concept. We have some concepts of what we've done in the past. We'll use that and manipulate it enough to be able to fit their application.
So this is our 3D model of the machine that you saw outside, which is a VHS 1000 high-speed disperser. And it's a complete system that we developed for the customer, including 3D models so they could walk through the plant before we installed it.
If a machine breaks down, they can always reach out to us. We stock many parts that we can get out overnight. Now, if the customer doesn't have a maintenance team on site, we can also schedule our technicians to come out and perform the work for you.
So communication is key with all the guys in the shop and our customers. We're all working towards the same goal here at Schold in terms of satisfying the customer needs and building the right equipment for them. So communication becomes a key part of that process with everybody involved in every step, from engineering to fabrication, testing, installation, site support, all those steps.